I gotta get on that vlog. Happy Easter. Waiting for Nancy around to get up. I hear him moving in there. Bon appetit.
It's Happy Easter. Happy Resurrection Day.
Happy was mine.
Getting ready to be cooked.
You gonna eat all that? Yeah, one?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, one. Bon appetit. Finally. 4 hours later.
Finally, my foot. Daddy said vlog you.
Why?
I don't know, I got him making these little things for me for Easter. First he did this one. Isn't it cute? It says little egg hunt. Now which one you working on? This one. What else did I buy? You know how to do this?
No.
You gonna try? I can show you this easy cross stitch. This one really isn't even a cross stitch, it's more like just a, I don't know, yarn. Happy Easter. Now he finished this little one.
Thanks for my water.
There goes your chicken.
Yeah, one. Bon appetit.
I got some chicken fries. We like Burger King over here. Oh, look what I'm working on.
Something got me on a diet.
I'm making a little conejo. That means rabbit in Spanish, in case y'all didn't know. He got a basket of goodies over there he's hiding. Can you back up one?
I need some chocolate.
No. Got lots of stuff over here in the camper. So far you got Baja Blast, $30, Easter Bunny, some tackies over there. Open the potatoes.
What are y'all cooking?
A roast.
These?
We seared the meat already, see?
These?
Dang, seared.
It's seared when it needs to be seared. Dork. You want to come do it?
Yeah, one.
Ow. Where my knee pop?
No.
Bon appetit.
Oh, here goes your bread. Your toast. He threw some popcorn to the goose.